In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Slack. By the end of this walkthrough, your Trello board will be connected to Slack so updates and collaboration flow smoothly where your team already communicates. First, make sure you're signed into Trello and you know which board you want to connect. It also helps to have permission to add power-ups on that board and access to the Slack workspace you'll be using. With that set, head to Trello and open your boards page. This is the central place that lists every board you own or have been invited to, which makes it easy to pick the right workspace for your integration. Next, open the specific board you want to integrate with Slack. Choose the board your team relies on most so the notifications and actions you unlock will actually be useful day to day. Once the board is open, look toward the top of the screen for the Power-Ups option in the board header. This is Trello's built-in way to extend a board with extra capabilities, and it's where Slack lives. Open the Power-Ups panel and select Add Power-Ups. This takes you into Trello's directory of integrations and features. In the search field, type Slack. You're looking for the official Slack Power-Up, which connects your Trello board to your Slack workspace. It's the simplest, most reliable way to enable notifications, quick card previews, and helpful shortcuts between the two tools. Open the Slack Power-Up result and click Add. Trello will attach the Slack integration to this board. Depending on your setup, you may see a prompt to review permissions or confirm access to your Slack workspace. That's normal, so follow the on-screen guidance. Once added, the Power-Up is active on this board and ready for you to configure as needed. A few tips as you wrap up. If your Trello plan limits the number of power-ups per board, you might need to remove an unused one or upgrade your plan. If you collaborate across multiple boards, remember that power-ups are added per board, so you'll repeat these same steps anywhere else you want the Slack connection. And if you don't immediately see Slack updates in your channels, check the board's power-up settings later to fine-tune how and where notifications appear. That's all there is to it. You opened your boards page, chose your board, went into Power-Ups, selected Add Power-Ups, searched for Slack, and clicked Add. Your Trello board is now integrated with Slack and ready to support faster, clearer teamwork.